Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Tiriksha Ragadan, 34 years old. I am from Sorsogon, Philippines. I am married but no child. We are 6 siblings and I'm the fourth youngest in the family. I recently finished my 3 years contract here in the Philippines as a helper of 4 people, 2 adults and 2 kids, ages 3 years old and 4 years old girl. My main duties is to clean the house, to cook, washing clothes, taking care and playing with the kids. To my future employer, please consider me as your helper. I am honest, trustworthy, patient, and hardworking. I will finish my contract and I'm willing to extend if needed. I'm willing to learn to cook your food and languages. Thank you so much.